Whoa! My magic kitchen is out of control. Can you help me mix these colours? Let's start with mixing red and blue. What do you think will it make? Firstly, we add red, then blue. Can you guess the colour? It's purple. Let's mix yellow and blue. What will it make? Firstly, we add yellow, then blue. Can you guess the colour? It's green. Finally, let's mix red and yellow. What will it make? Firstly, we add red. Then we add yellow. Can you guess the colour? It's orange. Whoa, you're a colour mixing master. Hit subscribe for more magic and comment what colour we should mix next.